Is it really possible to lose that annoying belly fat in 7 days? Nutritionists and physical trainers have come up with effective ways on how to lose belly fat in 1 week, so you can transform yourself for the better in as little time as possible. With enough focus and dedication, you can enjoy a flatter tummy and a healthier body. Starting from the first thing you do in the morning to your bedtime rituals, these tips will help you take inches off your waist fast. 1. Lemon water. Proven greatly effective in cleansing your system, this detox drink can burn fat around your belly more effectively. Drink it first thing in the morning. To make it, squeeze out the juice of 1 lemon to a glass of warm water. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day to help your body burn fat efficiently. If you want to increase your appetite for water, try flavored water infused with lemon, cucumber, and mint. Lemon, cucumber, and mint water is extremely refreshing and effective for weight loss. For your fix, slice up 2 to 3 lemons, 1 medium cucumber, and combine it with 10 to 12 mint leaves in 12 cups of water. Stir it around and store it in the fridge for 4 hours before drinking. 3. Be active and get fresh air. Jogging or walking first thing in the morning will refresh your senses. It helps deliver oxygen to your brain and your sleepy muscles and jumpstarts your metabolism. By the time you eat your first meal, you'll burn more calories faster, so put on your running shoes and go for a jog. Exercising for 30 to 60 minutes helps you realize your weight loss goals. As a reminder, your daily quota should be 10,000 steps, the minimum to burning calories effectively. Get a pedometer to help you track your progress. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT is actually one of the most effective workouts to burn fat faster. You only need to work out for 30 to 60 minutes a day, and as short as 15 minutes can do. For instance, start jogging as fast as you can on the treadmill for 10 seconds, followed by 12 seconds of slower jogging. Do as many repetitions as you can for 1 to 3 minutes. After that, you can do a belly fat burning HIIT workout, such as planking. Get in a plank position, then bend your left knee up to your left arm. Quickly jump into the same position on the other side, and keep repeating it until you tire yourself out. These steps on how to lose belly fat in 1 week may seem simple, but they will only be effective if you are consistent. Make it a point to stay active and eat healthy. If you feel the temptation to just be a couch potato or eat unhealthily, picture